Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down in order to find a proper section which is called the system. So let's tap on it. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently kind of applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of the languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me pick Greek. Let's mark the region, and as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list, but the English is still a main one. So here we have to reorder the languages. Simply tap on the language, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see right now, we've got the Greek language applied. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Of course, if you want, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.